The ground beneath a sleeping man's bedroom opened up and swallowed him whole. In Florida, in 2013, a sinkhole collapsed in the night without a sound. No warning, no rumble, just gone. But here is what makes it extraordinary. That moment did not begin with an earthquake or a storm. It began with a single raindrop millions of years ago, carrying a whisper of dissolved carbon dioxide. Rain touches limestone. A tiny chemical reaction starts. A hairline crack widens. A crack becomes a tunnel. A tunnel becomes a cavern. A cavern becomes a silence waiting beneath someone's floor. 20% of Earth's land sits above rock, being quietly eaten this way, right now, tonight. The ground is not a floor. It is a ceiling. Like and subscribe to 101 Sleepy Earth Facts. New video every night.